Hi, good morning, students. For avoiding corona, be safe at home. So let me now today I'm going to make the revision of this dual nature of radiation and matter. I have taught for two classes already. Today I'm going to just make a revision. So first of all, I'm going to explain about electron emission. So the word itself gives the meaning electron emission. From where the electrons are emitted? The electrons are emitted where they are available more free. Just take a metal surface. From the metal surface, there are large number of electrons available. But these electrons are not having sufficient energy to liberate. For that, we have to supply the energy in any form. When energy is incident on such a metal surface, when the energy is incident on the such a metal surface, the incident energy is used by the surface electrons. The incident energy is used by the surface electrons. Now these electrons take that energy and they come out. When the electrons comes out from the surface, this is called as electron emission. So that's why electron emission is defined as the liberation of electrons from a metal surface when the energy is incident on that surface. Once again I will repeat what is electron emission. It is the liberation of electrons from the metal surface when the energy is incident on it. So there are different types of electron emission. The first one is thermionic emission. Second one is field emission. Third one is photoelectric emission. Fourth one is secondary emission. So these are the four types of electron emission: thermionic emission, field emission, photoelectric emission and secondary emission. Now let us discuss these all one by one. What is thermionic emission? As the word itself gives the meaning, thermionic emission means thermal. Thermal means heat energy. Means when the energy is incident in the form of heat, the electrons are liberated from the surface. That means when the energy is incident in the form of heat, the electrons take that energy and they come out. So thermionic emission means it is the liberation of electrons from the metal surface when the heat energy is incident on it. And the electron emission in this case depends on the temperature. Second one is field emission. What is field emission? When the energy is incident in the form of electric field, that indicates we have to apply the strong electric field. Once again I will repeat. I am going to explain second one. Once again I will repeat. When the strong electric field is applied to the metal, the electrons are liberated from the surface. With the help of the electric field, the electrons are liberated. That's why it is called as field emission. So what is field emission? The liberation of electrons from a metal surface when the strong electric field is applied to the metal surface. Once again I will repeat the field emission. with the liberation of electrons from a metal surface when the strong electric field is applied to the metal. And after this, we move to the photoelectric emission. What is photoelectric emission? The word itself gives photo. Photo means it is the energy, packet of energy. Photo means it is a packet of energy. This photons are available in light energy. That means we have to supply the light energy. Means when the light energy is incident on the metal surface, the electrons are liberated. So that's why it is called as photoelectric emission. Now I am going to define photoelectric emission. What is photoelectric emission? The liberation of electrons from a metal surface when the light energy is incident on it. When the liberation of electrons from a metal surface when the light energy is incident on it, this is called photoelectric emission. Once again I will repeat, the liberation of electrons from a metal surface when the light energy is incident on it. After this, let me move to the last type of electron emission, that is secondary emission. Secondary means the word itself gives secondary. Here secondary emission means see here, on the metal surface we have to incident a fast energetic electrons. Fast moving electrons means energetic electrons. When the energetic electrons are made to incident, on the metal surface, the surface electrons, here look at this, surface electrons takes that energy from the incident electrons. The surface electrons takes the energy from the incident electron, so thereby the electrons are liberated. Here the electrons are liberated because of the highly energetic incident electrons. That's why it is called as secondary electrons. Secondary emission means, I am going to define secondary emission now. The liberation of electrons from a metal surface, when the energetic electrons are incident on the surface.